At Homeworx, we are more than just builders and designers. We are passionate problem solvers who believe that exceptional craftsmanship should come without ego. Our approach is grounded in quality and humility, ensuring that every project we undertake reflects our commitment to excellence and respect for our client's vision. We understand that creating a home is a deeply personal journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way with honesty and integrity. We combine top-tier craftsmanship with a down-to-earth, approachable style that makes the remodeling process smooth and enjoyable. From the initial concept to the final touches, we work closely with homeowners to bring their ideas to life. Our team is dedicated to clear communication and transparency, so you always know what to expect. This collaborative process ensures that your project is not only beautiful, but also functional and tailored to your family's needs. Trust is the foundation of every successful project at Homeworx. Our clients appreciate our honest and open communication, which fosters a strong partnership throughout the remodeling journey. We genuinely care about creating spaces that families will cherish for years to come, and this commitment shines through in every detail. When you choose Homeworx, you're choosing a team that values your vision and works tirelessly to make it a reality. If you're looking for a remodeling experience with no guessing and no surprises, Homeworx is the team for you. We offer interactive client proposal reviews that set clear expectations from the start, so you feel confident and informed throughout the process. Our straightforward approach means you can relax and enjoy watching your dream space come to life, knowing that every detail is handled with care and precision. Homeworx is proud to be Birmingham's trusted design, build, remodel team, dedicated to creating timeless spaces through exceptional craftsmanship and thoughtful design. Our process is personal and transparent, making every client feel valued and understood from the very beginning. Visit homeworxbham.com to schedule a consultation and discover how we can help you transform your home into a space your family will love for years to come.